Good morning, people. I'm morning now after 5 in a foreign. But it's me, Mama Susie, on the scene once more, and I don't know. It's acrimonious up in the kitchen today. Up in the kitchen today. May I bring you back in a memories from where I got Jericho Primary School. When Mama used to have to meet with halfway with the Tunn cornmeal. Come up in my pot, queen. Up in my pot. La 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 la. Zoom up in it, you know, with the people them see. This is called Tunn cornmeal. Well, a Tunn cornmeal we said today, and trust me, up in my Tunn cornmeal, zoom up in it, you know, me introduce in my Tunn cornmeal some chop up onion, scallion, thyme, a little piece of tomato, few pimento seed. And I look at acrimonious. Catch up my Tunn cornmeal. And this me say Tunn cornmeal. I eat grow away straight up in a foreign because we never have no money. Alright. Up in my other part, check out my flour. Check out my frying pot out black like that. And we say chicken back. French fried chicken back straight up at top. Zoom up in my face, make the people them see me and say, why? Tell this Maddie say me soon come. Up in my pot, me have chicken back. Chicken back French fry style with the Tunn cornmeal. And we say acrimonious. Look at golden brown. Zoom up in there something up quick. Check out my flour. Yes, and we say memories. This will make you remember. All when you eat them food there, all the big poor y'all lick off today. Come up and zoom up on me. People, when I drop off of the radar with there, see them we're flexible and we're acrimonious. Mama Susie said a blessed Monday to Uno. And remember where we are come from. Tunn cornmeal and chicken back straight. Love one on. La 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 la. Cut sign off. Don't no show them no more.